Hi guys! So today we're going to be playing with slime. And yeah, and her name's Ella, my guest star. I haven't been doing it a lot. And also I want to say thank you for 100 subscribers. That it really truly makes me that happy that just one video can get me all those subscribers. So let's get right into it.
So the first slime that we have is this green sticky. This is not fluffy.
It's not really sticky.
It kind of is still sticky.
But it's...
Yeah. This is the first slime.
Whoop.
There's still some slime in there. I just didn't want to take it all out. This is kind of sticky. So don't. No. So on to the next slime, Alana.
The slime, so it's pink. You can't really tell because I have bad camera coverage. But it's like pink. You can kind of tell. It's pink and it has foam balls in it. And this is fluffy slime. Are you in this joke? Oh, it's a little bit sticky. But yeah. Why you in this joke? This joke is you. It's so kind of sticky because it's fluffy slime, but yeah. See? Why you in this joke? This joke is you. Okay,
Okay, so the next slime is this a glue slime.
As I still play with this slime.
Hold on, you can look at her while I'm getting it out of the bag.
Oh,
Huh?
we gotta make it what picture we're gonna have at the beginning. So like, just kind of like focus and just go like, ooh, look at the slime, my slime.
So this is it. It's blue jiggly slime.
Yeah, it's not that stretchy.
It's not, but it actually pretty is though. Like it's not
It
too
used
sticky.
to have purple in it, but it mixed. There was barely any purple, so it kind of.
And this is actually really nice slime. So
it's like really smooth.
yeah. It doesn't really make a clicking noise, but you can do an Instagram swirl with it, definitely. So next slime.
We'll do this slime. Wait, no. Let's do this slime. Oh, save that one for the end. Did you get the yellow slime? No. That's fine. So, this one, I called it violet because it's like a violet color. This one's kind of like, sort of like, whatchamacallit? Butter slime. And yes, you can split. Because you had just had it.
No, I didn't. I didn't have it.
Yeah, you did. Remember, you were like, I'm gonna do this one, and it was a little yellow.
No, it was this one that I had.
Oh, what clickers? So this is the slime. Ella's location for this other slime we were gonna do. Yeah, so this one you can do an Instagram swirl with. It's basically like butter slime. See, let me do an Instagram swirl. It doesn't really click though. Woo, slime! Oh!
I know I did. Okay, so the next slime. So we didn't really find it, but we have other ones, so. Very sticky, kind of. And it's a pearl color. and white. It's a little batch of white pearl slime. And I love this because like it's so pearly.
This was fluffy song. We got this dry. Never really get this dry because it's so fluffy.
So this
You can do the next song too.
slime. Okay, so I'm gonna do the next slime because she's kind of looking for stuff. She's looking for something. The next is this slime. It is a light pink, jiggly, not fluffy. Here, that's my table. So, is it better than using my computer as my table?
Because we had it last night.
I know, because I thought I put it in there.
I thought you just had it though.
No.
Yeah, you did, because it's right there.
Oh.
Oh my lord, Ella.
Well, anyways, guys.
We found the slime.
Yeah,
The missing slime. She took it. No, I wanted to use that one.
Okay. So this is what this looks like.
It's yellow.
It's yellow. It has foam beads in it.
Just kidding.
We have to do that one together. So yeah. I'm guessing you made this with borax.
Yeah.
I can tell.
What do you mean you could tell?
Because of the feeling. Because the borax slime that you made me felt like this, but without the foam beads.
Yeah, because I made you the one that has the cornstarch in the...
We're just going to be showing all of the slimes now that we didn't show yet. So this one's a yellow fart putty boy.
This is actually really stretchy for some reason.
I know, like look at this one.
I know, that's what I did with mine. You just have to play with it. This is fort. I make this. The rest of this slime, except for this one and the other one we're going to show you at the end. And except for the noise putties, I didn't make.
Alana, I'm just kidding.
Oh.
So, yeah.
Woo!
Wait, I'm going to make a face mask.
Wait, try and blow a bubble.
You try.
Okay, hold on. I gotta ease it open.
I was like whistling.
Oh, that's not quite off the part.
Oh! Take it, baby, baby, I'll be worth it.
Oh my god, it's dripping! Give it to me, baby. Ella!
Alana, that's you.
Here's the orange one.
Take it, baby, baby.
You could honestly do an Instagram swim with these.
Like better than lip slime. Insta. So follow
Instagram,
my
where you at?
Instagram account. Follow my Instagram account is llamacorn06. It'll be in her description. In my my YouTube username. I don't have followers, so get me followers, please.
I'll try. It depends on if my subscribers want to subscribe to me. Subscribe to you.
But I post sometimes, but I'm really busy, like, with homework and stuff, so.
And we might just do later, we might play Roblox. And, I might record.
I might also, but I don't know.
Or, on my tablet, on my tablet, I can record, like, the screen that I'm playing on. So, she might just be on her computer, and I might be on
Or I'll record on my phone.
Right. And I'll be, like, on the tablet playing Roblox. And you'll be able to see my screen.
And my sister found her, camera, so that means I can make YouTube videos on it.
She said you could use her camera.
Well, the other day, she was like, "You want to make a YouTube video?"
Yeah, but you never know, though.
So if she does let me, I can use it. I can, like, put it on my computer and stuff.
Okay, so guys, leave a like, subscribe.
No, we're not done.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
so our final and last line is big. Foam beads get everywhere from this, so
we're not going to take it out. It's not that stretchy either.
Yeah.
And
it smells nice.
My dad doesn't like the smell. See?
My mom doesn't either. Because I remember when Gianna let me take this home. So our friend Gianna, one of our best friends. Yeah.
It's kind of stretchy.
Because I feel like this would be better without all the foam beads.
I'm getting foam beads everywhere.
I know, I'm taking some out of this part.
Because it's kind of stretchy.
Yeah, but over that, this slime is not Instagram wise. It didn't used to be better.
No, it was always like this.
Oh, because I thought it used to be better.
No. You should see how many foam beads there are. Which I'll just put them in this slime though, because this slime needs more foam beads in it. So, yeah. So guys, this is it. Leave a like and subscribe. And
we're probably gonna do another video, like a vlog video, on her account, of us just dancing and stuff.
Leave a like, subscribe. I'll put our Instagram. Our Instagram will be in the description down below.
My YouTube account.
Yeah. So yeah. And our Musical.ly. So love you guys.
Bye.
Kiss, peace, love, and we're out.